What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a look at Bitcoin here. I apologise for being away. I've been very sick over the past week or so I haven't been able to do any videos because my voice has been literally destroyed. I've still got a bit of a cough right now, but I'm on the mend now, so I thought I'd start doing some videos again. As you can see with the Bitcoin chart here, there has been a few things that have occurred over the past few weeks whilst I've been away. We basically obviously had that big plunge down and made that new swing low down here, didn't we, on the daily time frame? You can see quite clearly here we came all the way down, found a swing low, came back up, retested it, came into a little bit of a ranging area here. We've really been chopping sideways and doing basically nothing for the past few weeks. And then we did get a little bit of a breakout and a break up to the top of the range that we did say had formed here. As you can see, we pretty much came up perfectly to the top of the range in this area here, retested some of these previous lows as a bit of an area of resistance and got a sharp projection over the past few days back into this ranging area that you can see here. On the hourly time frame, you can see it a bit more clearly. We basically came down, came up and formed our range, retest the low, and then we come back up here, slowly make our way up to retest the high, as I said would most likely happen. We did see that happening here. We come all the way up, retest the high, and then you can see here we've got a little bit of a rejection in that area, coming back down into the area of consolidation that we saw before on the hourly time frame. But you can see really there's not much interest at the minute, there's not much volume. These moves are very, sideways. We're crabbing up really, aren't we? We're going sideways. Even with that horrible news about FTX collapse and everything that's happened since then, we really haven't gone down that much since then at all, have we? Pretty much just going sideways still and waiting for our opportunity to, see some real breakouts towards some bear market breakout places we want to see. This main resistance that I would say here, up at around 25k currently, is the main resistance you want to see broken and retested before you would see any bull market coming back into play. But right now, as we've been saying for months and months, we really are still just chopping sideways. Even though we have come down here and made another range, we haven't really dropped that far at all, especially considering all the crazy stuff that has happened in crypto. And now realistically, we are just looking like we are, we've come down here and now we're consolidating again, going sideways, really just waiting for, a bit more of a key move in the market, a bit more volume, a bit more, something to happen really. We want to see ourselves getting back up above these levels here before we see anything happening in the markets really, don't we? Obviously if we lose the low, we could come down into this, area of demand down here that you would expect, a lot of people to be waiting for, a lot of people waiting for that 10k-ish area before we do see that bounce to the upside for the bull market to restart. But for us, it's hard to know what's going to happen, but right now still in a bearish downtrend overall. Really just chopping sideways over the past few months, apart from that recent low that we did make. And realistically, we're probably going to see a lot more of this over the next year until we see something significant happening. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.